will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Well, news agencies are saying that Fadnavis has been proposed already as the next Chief Minister for Maharashtra. In fact, his name has been picked in the BJP legislative meet because remember, the sitting Chief Minister Eknath Shinde had made it very clear the decision will be taken by the BJP, and the BJP has decided to pick Fadnavis as the chief of the legislative party. Let me go across to Arunil, who's joining us. Arunil, of course, it was most expected that Devendra Fadnavis will return to the CM post, but the big question will be is at what cost? But before I come to you, I believe we have some reactions already coming in. Listen in.
मी महाराष्ट्राच्या विधिमंडळ गटनेतेपदी आपल्या सगळ्यांचे मित्र, आपल्या सगळ्यांचे नेते, आपल्या सगळ्यांचे मार्गदर्शक माननीय देवेंद्रजी, सरिताताई, माननीय देवेंद्रजी, सरिताताई, गंगाधरराव फडणवीस यांचं नाव या ठिकाणी सुचवतो.
भारत माता की. अरे सर्वांचे हात वरती घ्या. आपल्या काही समितीवरचा हात आहे का 2.5 किलोचा? भारत माता की. वंदे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की. छत्रपती संभाजी महाराज की. भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या विधिमंडळ गटनेतेपदी छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांच्या विचारावर श्रद्धा ठेवून चालणारे शिवभक्त श्री देवेंद्र सरिताताई गंगाधरराव फडणवीस यांच्या नावाचा प्रस्ताव आपल्या समोर